Welcome back. Time now for the Midday Sports Roundup.
Former FIFA referee Peter Prendergast is calling for more protection of match officials following Saturday's incident where referee was assaulted by members of the Dintil Technical Da Costa Cup team. 3 players have now been suspended for between 3 and 5 days by principal of Dintil Technical Anthony Garwood, who himself is a former FIFA referee. Speaking to TVJ Sports, Prendergast, who believes the punishment handed down by Dintil Technical is a slap on the wrist, says this is an opportunity for ISA to send a strong message to all players that such behavior will not be tolerated.
ISA's ruling is going to be an important one to be used as a deterrent going forward. But some more preventative stuff needs to be done.
A letter obtained by TVJ Sports under the signature of Principal Garwood to the school's administration stated that one player who shoved the referee has been suspended for 5 days, banned from participating in any extracurricular activities for the remainder of the season, and referred to the Dispute Resolution Foundation. The other 2 players have been suspended for 3 days each for gross misconduct on the field of play after the game, one of which will be receiving counseling after returning from suspension on September 27. Many-time Jamaica Premier League champions Arnett Gardens face a must-win situation if they are to remain in contention to progress from Group A of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup as they take on Real Hope of Haiti this evening at the National Stadium. Arnett are at the foot of the group with no points and a -2 goal difference after defeats to Mount Pleasant FC and Police FC in their first 2 games. With 2 games to go, one of which is against group leaders Cavalier, anything but a win could spell the end for the Junglists. Head coach Xavier Gilbert knows the importance of the game to their survival in the group.
We managed to look at them in their previous games. I'm pretty impressed without the play. The energy that they use, especially going forward, and how resilient they are in defense. It's not an easy team to beat, but we have to pull out our stops to make sure that we find a way to get 3 points tomorrow.
Real Hope, who defeated Cavalier 2-1 at the National Stadium last week, are second in the group on 4 points, the same as third-place Police FC, who will take on Mount Pleasant on Thursday in Trinidad. The game this evening kicks off at 7. Humbeline FC will go in search of their first win of the new Jamaica Premier League season when they take on Cavalier FC at Effortville today starting at 3:30. The match is a rescheduled encounter from match day 1 as Cavalier had CONCACAF Caribbean Cup duties. In their opening game of the season at home, Humbeline played to a goalless draw with Tivoli Gardens as coach Donovan Ducky bemoaned the absence of some players from his squad due to registration issues. Cavalier, however, are coming off a 2-1 win over Portmore United in their game on Sunday at Sabina Park. And after their historic 12-6 win over Chinese Taipei on Monday, Jamaica will go for their second win when they take on the U.S. Virgin Islands at the World Lacrosse Box Championships being held in New York this afternoon. The Jamaicans had lost to Czechia and Scotland in their opening 2 games in Group D before beating Chinese Taipei. The 13-28 placing game is set to get underway at 1:30 p.m. Jamaica time. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.